Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to import shapes or reference geometry from Solidworks into your OrCAD Allegro PCB. So here's the Solidworks model that I want to take. I want to have a reference between these holes, this rounding, and these three holes for connectors here. Are you fucking serious? There you go. So what you want to do is, in an assembly, so this has to be part of an assembly, make a new part, reference it to a easy plane, and start converting the entities that you want. So I just need a few of these to get my bearings. And then the three mounting holes themselves. Okay, so now I have a part that on its own shows me what I need to know. So what I can do now is stop editing that part in the assembly, wait for the error to go away, can open the part on its own, and I should be able to export it as a DXF. Don't care. DXF. And I'll put this somewhere else. I'll put this in the actual folder that I want to use. It'll make it easier to find. So that's one that I've prepared earlier. This one will just be called this stupid thing. In fact, not one, because it has weird characters. And Allegro is an old program. It does not like weird characters or spaces. Now, notice that it says current here. So what you want to do is make sure it's in the view that you want, or you can select front or whatever. I'm just going to go with current, and it should show me, there you go, what it looks like. Save that. Now what you want to do after that, just because you've just made a random part, is remove that part from your assembly completely. And keep removing the errors. There you go. So now you can import your MCAD DXF. You have to go find it and select a library. I don't know the difference between the two of them. And specifically make sure to click incremental add-on, otherwise it will delete everything else. It's taking a lot longer than I think it would usually take. There you go. So now you have a thing that is wonderfully just covering everything else. So let's go into the move command, go down here to the whatever it's called filter, and specify only lines. That should help you somewhat. That did not help me. So just select them individually. There you go. That works. Now you have them all selected. Move them. Align them with what you need. In my case, that's just about there. Check. It could be a little bit better. Everything is now deselected. Great. So Now they are back where they were before, and they're selected again. That was a Control Z, obviously. And there they are again. So now I can place the 3 components that I need to place exactly where they need to be. Nope. What I'm doing here, by the way, is I have the schematic open on another monitor, and when I select those components, they are selected in the placement edit menu. That's good, but good enough for that. And then the other two, a similar thing. And obviously after the fact you can go in and make sure. In fact, snap to arc circle center. Nope. Arc circle center. Okay, that doesn't work, but sometimes it might. And there you go. You now have 3 connectors that in my case are pointing the wrong way, but regardless, you have reference geometry. This can also work for the actual shape of the PCB itself. That is how this shape was taken in. So there you go.